Okay. What is up, my beloved viewers? I am your boy, Intensa TJ, and welcome back to another, yes, I said it, another chopstick unboxing video. Your last video, it blew my mind how much you guys viewed it. Right now it is, I think, 96 views, and this should be coming up around when I have 100 views. So clearly you guys requested me to unbox more chopsticks, so you will get what you guys requested, and it looks like we will be making these things a series. Aren't you guys excited? Because I am. Yes. Okay, so last time we had Korean K&K chopsticks, and remember, I gave it a 10 out of 10, which is amazing. And now these are the Chinese chopsticks, so we'll see if they can even rival those. But before I unbox these, quick disclaimer, I am a quarter Korean, so I do have to reveal that I do potentially have a bias towards the Korean chopsticks, but I will try to put my biases aside as we unbox this. Okay, so starting, what I noticed is there are some nice, one sec. There are some nice little Chinese characters here. Wait. Here? Yeah. I don't speak Chinese. I don't know anything about Chinese. So I don't know what they say. There are also some little leaves, so that's a nice little touch for aesthetics. I do like that. Actually, I'll keep it up here. I'll keep it up here. Yeah. We're getting creative today on this chopstick unboxing. Okay. So, as you see, it says ask for focus. Focus, please. Focus. Thank you. No. Okay, there we go. So ask for new carved out low sodium soy sauce. Well, you see, how and who do we ask for the soy sauce? Because low sodium, that is very beneficial for the health, but do we ask, hey, Chopstick? What's the name of you? I don't know what that says. Can someone, I'm sorry, but Mahani, can I have that new low sodium soy sauce, please? It doesn't work. That's already docking off some points. Okay. Now, this also has some instructions, which, although I do not know how to use chopsticks, I refuse to read all these. But it is nice that they have the instructions on it. And it's got a little contact, so depending on how this review goes, we might have to send in a little something to the creators of these chopsticks. And then here's a little message again for low sodium soy sauce. And then made in China, of course, because they're Chinese chopsticks. Okay, let's bring it back out here. Okay, so the packaging, I do like the packaging. I think it's very simple, but it's effective, and it really packs like a lot of information on just a brief slip of paper. So that is very nice. I do not like how it's advertised as soy sauce, but doesn't tell you how to get it. But the instructions are a nice touch, just like in the Korean chopsticks, and I do like the white aesthetics. So let's open these bad boys up. Oh, the sound of new chopsticks. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Ooh, the texture. Oh my goodness, look at what we have here. Look at what we have here. It's already coming apart. Let me bring this closer to the camera. Wow. Wow. This is not good. This is not good, my boys. We have a strand coming off. What? That's not good. Now, as you know, I like to do my typical sensory tests, so it smells like wood, which would make sense. Interesting flavor. Definitely not a bad flavor though, so if you're looking for chopsticks to suck on for a little bit and get some good flavor out, these are pretty good for that. Now let's see how they sound when I break it off, because this will be magnificent. Very difficult to break, I will say so. What? Bear with me. Oh! That was actually a pretty clean break. I was not expecting that. And that sound was pretty good, so, I mean, the sensory test looks good, it tastes good, smells pretty decent, sounds good. Even that smells good. Sounds very similar to the Korean chopsticks. Okay. So far these chopsticks are looking pretty quality. They have a little bit lacking since it came off the little part, so it's a little lacking in quality, but you know, these are just cheap chopsticks from a Chinese restaurant, so let's see if we can get our little play here. Ryan, would you like to move the camera up close?
My pleasure.
Thank you, sir. Isn't he great? That's my brother right there behind the camera. He's awesome. Okay, so hi. So as you see, it's not rice. It doesn't take a genius to see that, and I will confess one of the reasons I didn't want rice is because, quite frankly, you give me the best chopsticks in the world, I don't know if I can pick up a single grain of rice. Like, I'm just being honest with you guys. And also, I couldn't find the rice, so we got the next best thing to rice, a pencil grip, obviously. So, let's see what we can do. Look at what we have here. Let's try it again. Let's try it. Oblacomico. What? The control of these chopsticks. These are phenomenal. What? Did you see the little 360? Watch this. What? Crap. But look at the save. You know, this is very similar to like a noodle. So, I mean, if you're picking up noodles with this, like this is a really good chopstick for that. So, I'm not gonna bore you guys too much. I'm gonna go right back to the to the rating. Shoot. Bear with me. See, we use chopsticks to pick it up in this household. Wow, amazing. Okay, so if I'm gonna go off of aesthetics, I really do like the aesthetics. We're gonna have to give it a 9 out of 10. If we're going off practicality, I'm gonna give it a 8 out of 10 because it does lack in the quality, hard to rip open, and it also kind of makes little strings. And these little new things aren't very practical. So this is, I think, the biggest docking point for me, but when it comes to actual control, these, honestly, they're like a 9.5 out of 10, probably. So, overall, now, I'm not quite going to do the overall yet. You guys know what's up. Remember these last time we did the chopsticks? I threw them up in the air and they did some trick shots. So, let's see what these bad boys can do. We'll give it another chance. But honestly, I don't think chopsticks are made for trick shots, so yeah, okay. These are not trick shot chopsticks, but they are more effective than the Korean chopsticks, I will say, for doing their purpose, picking stuff up. But when it comes to style points and overall, those got a 10 out of 10. That's hard to beat. I would have to give these guys, we're gonna say an 8 out of 10. So there you have it. These Quillahami chopsticks, trademarked. They are an 8 out of 10. Tell that to all your friends. I'm sure you show these videos to your friends. And if you don't, there's always a time to start and try something new. So you're gonna always be sharing these. Thank you guys so much for all the support in my last one. And if you guys keep up the support, I have no reason not to keep the series going. So use that as incentive. And I am Intensive TJ. This was Chopstick Unboxing with Quillahami chopsticks. Intensive TJ.
Kilahami chopstick unboxing, and that's about it for today. I hope you guys liked, and Intensive TJ out. Love you guys.